Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step. But today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can log in into your employee account in QBS. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto the search bar and just type for QBSS Employee Login. And after you do so, many pop-up will be on your screen. Just click on the first link that shows up. And now this will take you to the official login site of QBSS. And here you can see that you need to input your username and password in order to continue to your account. Now just input your username here and password here, and then after doing so, just tap on login and then you'll be logged in into your employee account in QBS. And this was for this video, and that's how you can log in into your QBSS employee account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.